Greg here with Maritime Gardening. It's a super hot day and I'm planting out my tomatoes because it's finally warm enough to plant them out. We're just over a week into June, and I just thought I'd show you the results I got using a different sort of transplant tray. So what I've been using for years is these sort of cheap dollar store ones. They wear out, you can get about 2 seasons out of them, maybe 3 if you're really gentle, but they kind of fall apart over time. And so this year I got these ones from Sprout Box Garden. They're very solid. You can put them in your dishwasher. They're supposed to last years and years and years and years. One of the great advantages of this, I'm just planting out from these the first time, is that they got this wonderful hole in the bottom. So when I'm trying to get my transplants out of these things, I'm pushing it like this. Sometimes I have to put them upside down. I'm not saying it doesn't work. You can use these. I've done it for years. Hell, you can use margarine containers if you want. But if you want to make it really easy on yourself, I mean, I planted these 5 weeks ago. You can see they're doing just fine. They were in my windowsill, south-facing window. But because they got this little hole here, you can just push up with your finger, and out they come. Right? So you gotta spend a little to get these, but they'll last you a long time. I've done a bit of math, and I figured that actually if I bought these years ago, the net effect was I would have saved money because I wouldn't have had to buy these every 2 or 3 years, right? A whole new set every 2 or 3 years. Just buy one set of these and they're good. And they take up less room on your windowsill. You can see the area. And there's the area of this. There's the area of that. But they hold enough volume of soil to get a decent transplant, right? Yeah, planting out these tomatoes, that's where they are, about 5 weeks in a windowsill using those transplant trays. Very happy with that. Good size for moving out. No flowers yet. I started these the first week of May. That's when I start my tomato transplants for where I live. Anyway, just a quick update on these. Peppers, everything's growing really well. Everything's got to be planted out this week. If you want to get 10% off on an order of these, use my coupon code, Maritime Gardening. They also have other things on their website. I've done a couple of videos on that. Just check out the description box and you can see all the details on that. Otherwise, I gotta get back at this before I cook in the sun. I hope you found this interesting. If you did, please like, share, subscribe. Until next time, get out there, get at it, have fun in your garden. Thanks for watching.